this topic. It is transistor as a switch versus amplifier concept and examples. The transistor and electronic valve. The best way to understand a transistor is to think of it as a water facet on an electronic valve. Look at the drawing. A small push on the handle that is the control signal at the base pin. This controls a rag flow of water that the main current between the collector and the emitter. And the big idea the transistor job is to let a very small signal control a very large signal. This makes it incredibly useful for everything we use today. And mode 1 transistor as a switch. And the first job of a transistor is to act like a digital switch. It is either completely on or completely off. This is how computer work. Off state 0 when we send no signal 0 volt to the base. The valve is closed. No current flow to the main part. The light stay off. This is a digital 0. On state 1, when we send a signal to the base, the valve is fully open. Current flow easily and the light turn on. This is a digital 1. For application, this simple on or off action is the foundation of our computer chips, memory, and processors. It is the language of digital electronics. The second job is to be an amplifier. This is for things like music and radio. In this mode, the transistor is kept partially open. We put out small weak signal like the sound from a tiny microphone into the base. The transistor takes that small signal and create a much bigger, stronger copy of it at the output. Key results. The output looks exactly like the input, but the wave is much taller. It magnifies the signal. Application. This is why your phone can play loud music through a speaker, or why a radio signal can travel many kilometers. So whether is a quickly switching on and off for a computer or boosting a weak sound for a speaker, the transistor is the workhorse of modern electronics. Thank you.